Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some collard greens with some smoked turkey. So let's get started. So I'm making my collard greens in my pressure cooker. So I'm going to put some water down in here. I'm starting my smoked meat this way, and then I'm going to bump it up and add all the flavors later on once we add the collard greens. So this is a big old, look at this. And I'm only making one bag of collard greens, so I don't need both pieces. Well, maybe I put the little wingy thing in there. Both pieces of my turkey. Also, I'm going to put some red chili flakes down in here. That's all I'm putting down in here. I'm not putting much. The flavor is all coming later on once we add the collard greens. I'm also going to put some fresh thyme down in there. Cover it, and then I'm going to click the bean option. Now the reason, the bean option is here. The reason why, let me put it down so y'all can see. I'm using the bean option because the bean option lets the pressure cooker go longer. And you really need to tenderize and break down your smoked turkey. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to cover it, let it go. When I come back, we add the collard greens and season this up. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the back. Of course, we have the collard greens. I have my apple cider vinegar, maybe a tablespoon or so of that. Hot sauce, a few tablespoons of that. I like it spicy. Down here, I have the turkey meat right here. I took it out of there and chopped it up. It's nice and succulent, tender, falling off the bone. I have my sweet bell peppers, onions, and lots of garlic. All of that is going to go back down in the pressure cooker. And I tasted my broth. I needed no more salt. So make sure you taste your broth and don't over salt it. Alright guys, so this is what my collard greens look like right here. I served it up with some smothered chicken. I know someone's going to ask me the recipe for that. I have smothered turkey wings. It's the same recipe, same concept. Only thing is it's chicken and not turkey. I made this cornbread recipe. This will be out before this video actually, and some rice. So that's dinner for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this collard green recipe. It's really delicious. It was easy to make. I prefer the pressure cooker method because it comes out more tender, so that's why I like it. So I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.